Pro, so I'm bouncing the track here. Let's kind of get into it really. So what I do is I go to File, Bounce in the song, go to Bounce Project or Section, and then go to MP3 and export it as a 320 kbps. I always export my tracks as real time. Real time allows you to just hear the song as it's playing. It's gonna export. So if I hear any errors in the song, I can stop it and then rebounce it if I hear any errors. So it's just a last ditch attempt at hearing if there's any errors. So quickly hit OK. And before I do that, though, I always set the marker, the yellow marker. I stretch it from the start of the track to where the track ends, and that tells Logic Pro which part of the track to export. So let's go back and do that. MP3, bounce it as real time, hit OK. Then it's going to ask us where we want to actually save it to. I want to save it to this folder. Find the folder, chorus 2, as this is a revision, and then let's do it.
Where's the soul in the song? Where's the truth in the beat? All this glitz and glam, it ain't what we need. Breathe deeper, break free, let the realness show. Music's meant for the heart, not the glitter and gold. Where's the soul in the song? Where's the truth in the beat? All this glitz and glam, it ain't what we need. Breathe deeper, break free, let the realness show. Music's meant for the heart, not the glitter and gold.
Easy peasy. Tracks done. The vocals are by myself, produced by producer. Not sure if his name. He hired me on Fiverr. If you want to hire me on Fiverr, if you need backing vocals, click the link in the description to check out my Fiverr profile. And that's about it. Bouncing the track is really simple in Logic Pro. You go to File, go to Bounce a Project, export it as an MP3, and make sure you bounce it as real time so you can hear the song back and make any edits as needed. And that's it. If you got value from this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.